So if you guys are new to Shutterstock, I'm going to give you guys a referral link. It is something that helps you guys out, it helps me out, and allows me to create more videos like this and teach people how to make passive income through stock photography. Okay, so let me take you guys start to finish through uploading a photo into Shutterstock. So it's pretty easy. Once you have signed up for Shutterstock Contributor, and you go to the main contributor dashboard page, upload images is pretty big up here on the top left. So you click on upload images, and then you can either drag and drop your files or you can select from your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and put in this photo of UTSA. And for photos, that's really all you do. You just drag and drop, and then you wait for it to upload. You can go to next. And it spits you out to your portfolio submit content. And do keep in mind that there's a difference between the image page and the video page as well. So once you see your uploaded photos here, you can click on, if you have multiple of them, you can change multiple of them as well, which is really nice. But once you click on it, then you come over here to the side and you do all your metadata work here. And we will learn about that a little bit later, but as you can see, the uploading process in Shutterstock is very straightforward. Once you figure out all the metadata, you click submit, and within a couple days, typically, it is reviewed. Now, it may not get approved if, if you forget to check the editorial box and you have some kind of copyrighted content, that's a big one. But also, if your image has some kind of out of focus or dust or noise or anything like that. I typically, if I do get rejected, I try to bring it into Photoshop and try to beautify it a bit and then try and get it reapproved. So that's the process to uploading photos on Shutterstock.